Hello everyone, I am Raghu from MLR Learner. I would like to improve our speaking skills. Now we are going to learn about past perfect tense. It shows that an action happened before a certain time or before another past action happened. That means we don't use only past perfect tense. We use it with another tense. Keywords before, after, when, and etc. Before, for example, he had studied English before he moved to London. After, for example, after she had completed her work, she went home. When, for example, when we reached the station, the train had left. Main verb, past participle, that is V3. Already we know about this main verb in the present perfect tense. There are three perfect tenses. They are present, past, future. We use the same main verb in the three perfect tenses, that is present, past, future. The main verb is past participle or V3. Helping verb, had. The present perfect tense helping verbs are have, has. Had is the past tense of has, have. Contraction, had plus not, hadn't. A structure of past perfect tense sentence: subject plus helping verb had plus main verb V3 plus object. For example, he had taken lunch. It is positive. Negative is he hadn't taken lunch. Question is, had he taken lunch? But it is not used only one action. It is a past action sentence, but we used in the same place another past actions. If you think that it is a recent past, present perfect is enough. That is, he has taken lunch. If we think that it is long past or long ago, he took lunch at 1 p.m. Oh, in this place, present perfect tense or simple past is enough. So, we don't use single sentence, that means single action of past perfect tense. If we want to write past perfect tense, you should follow rules. That is, it shows that it means here past perfect tense. Past perfect tense shows that an action happened before a certain time. The same sentence, for example, he had taken lunch before 2 p.m. For example, now time is 3 p.m. He had taken lunch before 2 p.m. We use here certain time and another example, before another past action happened. That is, he had taken lunch before they came. He had taken lunch before they came. So, we don't use only past perfect tense. We use this tense when two actions are completed in the past. I have written here 4 sentences. For example, before the guests arrived, she had cleaned the house. The guests arrived is simple past tense. She had cleaned the house is past perfect tense. keyword before is used here. Before simple past tense. Before the guests arrived, comma, she had cleaned the house. The same sentence. The second, she had cleaned the house before the guests arrived. It is also correct, but we don't use comma before. That is, she had cleaned the house before the guests arrived. But comma is used in the first one. Before the guests arrived, comma, she had cleaned the house. These two are same meanings. If we want to use keyword after instead of before, the third sentence, after she had cleaned the house, the guests arrived. After is used before past perfect tense. After she had cleaned the house, comma, the guests arrived. The guests arrived is simple past tense. She had cleaned the house is past perfect tense. Fourth, the guests arrived after she had cleaned the house. Here written, the guests arrived past, that is simple past tense, and after she had cleaned the house, it is past perfect tense. The third, we used comma after she had cleaned the house, comma, the guests arrived. The fourth, the guests arrived after she had cleaned the house. We don't use comma here. These four sentences meaning is same, but which one you like, as you wish, you use like that. These four sentences meaning is same. So we can try with another main verbs. Here, helping verb is only one in the past perfect tense, that is had. So, can improve our knowledge in the past perfect tense by practice with another main verbs and other subjects. Thank you.